All right, so we're looking at worksheet A25, and we are solving using square roots. All right. All right, we're going to jump down to number 7. I'm trying to get k squared by itself, so what do I need to do first?
Divide 7 by both sides.
Divide both sides by 7? Yes, that. All right, I can do that. And that would be k squared. Now, if this is a decimal, we're going to leave it as a fraction. What? Oh, my.
What are you doing?
Well, I was trying to prove yesterday about the square root not working. Oh, I got 16. That's why Mr. Adams was saying it was too easy. And now how do I get rid of the square? What is the square root of 16, folks? Nope. Positive or negative 4. Because we're saying 4 squared is 16 or negative 4 squared is 16. Number 3? I can do number 3. All right.
No.
Why? Divide both sides by 8, and I get b squared equals what? 30. Now, when I go to take the square root of both sides, I will get b equals, now does 30, I'm going to put my plus or minus so I don't forget it. Does 30 break down with any perfect squares?
No.
Oh, I mean, you can try. Half of 30 is 15. There's nothing less than 15 that would break down. So even though it's a bigger number, it stays as the square root of 30. And there was one on the worksheet yesterday, and I believe there's going to be one on the worksheet today where it's going to be the plus or minus square root of 2. So I don't want decimals. I want exact answers. All right, let's flip this on over.
Number 5, no, one more.
We'll come back to it if we need to. All right, Mr. Adams, pick one on the back for us. All right, let's look at number 12 here. I have a 4 to get rid of, a power of 2, and a plus 9. What should I get rid of first? Get rid of the 9 by? Cross the line, change the sign. Yep, so addition goes to subtraction. So 4n squared equals 300. All right, now I'm going to divide both sides by 4, and I get n squared equals what? Really? You're right. Oh, yeah, 150. Okay, I'm there. Now, I need to get n. So I'm going to take the square root to cancel. That's the inverse. And so I don't forget, here's my n equals plus or minus. And this is where some people are having...
I would give you the biggest hug ever.
What's a perfect square that goes into 75? I just said it. 25. All right, 25 times what? 25 times 3. So this is where I need both of the pieces still underneath the square root. 75 is the same as 25 times 3. And if they're both under the square root, the rule is that we can break it down. What is the square root of 25? 5, and then keep the square root of 3. All right, we will do one more. I believe 17 or 20. Your pick. Look at them and see.
17. No, don't do
17. Do 20? All right.
17.
I'm listening to the expert.
17.
There might be a reason.
He doesn't even have to do the worksheet. That was not a breakdown.
All right. Let's add 4 to both sides.
Like you could even get over.
I get 2n squared equals 152. And then what? Take the square root, get rid of the 2, what? You have to isolate the square term first. All right, so I get n squared equals?
76.
That's what I was thinking. Okay, 76 is not on my perfect square list. So when I go to take the square root, here's my n equals plus or minus, but I need to break down the 76. So half of 76 is what, like 30, what was I doing? 38? Okay, so 36 does not go in, 25, does 16 go in? How about 4 or 9? I don't think 9 goes in. 4 does? Okay.
Oh my gosh, can we just pick a number?
Well, I would love to pick a number, but I knew which ones to try. I just had to figure out which one worked. So this would be positive or negative 2 square root of 19. All right, the rest is yours, my friends.